Guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I have compiled a list of 7 deals that you should consider doing over at Walmart this week. So this is for the week of September 15th through the 21st. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on Swab Spray Antiperspirant. It's a dry spray, so similar to the Dove. It is priced for $4.47, and we have a $1.25 Ibotta rebate as well as a $1 checkout 51. And you get bonus points on Fetch Rewards when you submit Swab products. So final cost is $2.22, which I think is a pretty good deal on a new product. So the next deal is on the Tena Pad. So the 20 count Tena Pads are priced for $4.97 over at Walmart. We have a 3-off-1 coupon from the 9/8 Smart Source. And there's a $2 checkout 51 offer. So that makes this a 3-cent moneymaker when you combine the coupon and the checkout 51 rebate. So the next deal is actually my favorite one, and it's on the Angel Soft 6 Mega Roll Toilet Paper, the Lavender scent. So it is priced for $5.28. We have a printable 50-cent off 1 coupon. How you're going to get this coupon is you want to go ahead and go to angelsoft.com, and you can sign up for their email list, and they're going to email you a link to where you can print a 50-cent coupon. So you'll pay $4.78, but then we have a $1.75 cash back on Ibotta and a 25-cent on any toilet paper. So you can stack both of these rebates. So final cost is $2.78 for the 6-pack of toilet paper, which I think is a fantastic deal. So the next deal is the Soft Soap Hand Soap. So this is the 13-ounce hand soap, and look for the decorative bottles. So it is priced for $2.98. We have a 50-cent coupon you can print from the Soft Soap website. So you end up paying $2.48, but then you can submit $1 back to Ibotta, making it $1.48, which I think is a great deal. So the next deal is on the 7th generation baby wipes. So the package of baby wipes, the 64 count, they're priced for $2.87, and you can submit 50 cents to Ibotta, making it $2.37. And I love these baby wipes specifically because you can use them on the face. So not all baby wipes are meant to be used on your child's face. So I love that the 7th generation, you can use it on their bottom, their body, and their face. So the next deal is on the Lumify eye drops. So they're priced for $11.97. I recently had an eye exam at my local Walmart, and they had 5-off-1 coupons inside of the optical. So check your Walmart opticals for that 5-off-1 coupon. And then you can submit $4 to Ibotta, so it makes it just $2.97. So great deal, especially since the starting cost is $11.97. So the last deal is on the Kogi Enamel Health Toothpaste. So it is priced for $4.96. We got 2-off-1 coupons in today's Smart Source. You can submit 75 cents to Ibotta, making it just $2.21. So I'm going to have this breakdown for you guys in the description box if you want to go ahead and follow along. It's on my blog, jqbzrb.com. If you are not subscribed to my blog, make sure you hit your email into the subscriber list so that you can be notified when I post a blog and when I post a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Walmart deal video. Comment below if you would like more of these, and I absolutely will add this into my deal rotation. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.